अस्सलाम वालेकुम। माय नेम इज़ सज्जाद शर्मा और गुफ्तगू पॉडकास्ट सीरीज़ का ये तीसरा एपिसोड है। आज के एपिसोड में हमें जॉइन किया है डॉक्टर सजीदा जान ने। शी इज़ परस्यूइंग हर पीएचडी डिग्री इन न्यूरो साइंस फ्रॉम यूएस और वह पिछले 2018 से बाय द नेम ऑफ साइकिल केयर कैंपेन के नाम से एक ऑर्गेनाइजेशन रन कर रही है गिलगित के फार फ्लंग एरियाज़ में। और शी इज़ ट्राइंग टू अवेयर मोर पीपल थ्रू सोशल मीडिया प्लेटफॉर्म्स। तो आज हमने उनको अपने प्रोग्राम में मदऊ किया है। चूँकि हमारा पॉडकास्ट एक सेंसिटिव मौजू पे है तो इस प्रोग्राम को देखें और ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर करें। Okay. Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today I'm really excited that we are joined by Sajida Parveen, who is we have met long ago, I guess, and it's been a while. और काफ़ी टाइम बाद वी आर ऑन दिस वर्चुअल मीटिंग। और जो पॉडकास्ट मैंने शुरू की थी इट्स सॉर्ट ऑफ इन पर्सन में जाके मिल लेता हूँ, लेकिन इट्स फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम आई एम यूजिंग दिस जूम सॉर्ट ऑफ मीटिंग एंड ये वर्चुअल एक पॉडकास्ट हम कोशिश करें। सो सजीदा, मैं डायरेक्टली आपकी तरफ आऊँगा। गो कि ये नहीं बनता आपके हिस्से का कि मैं इंट्रोडक्शन आपसे करवाऊँ, लेकिन चूँकि इस ड्यूरेशन में इट्स बीन अ वाइल कि आपकी प्रोफेशनल एंगेजमेंट्स क्या रही हैं, फिर एजुकेशनल ज़रा हमें बता दें उस सो वी कैन उस अकॉर्डिंगली फिर हम आगे चलेंगे।
Okay. First of all, thank you so much, Sajad, for making this possible. My name is Sarkar Jan, and I am an alumnus of AKSS Gakuch. I finished my grade 10 from AKSS Gakuch, and then I joined UWC Costa Rica in 2018. So I graduated from UWC Costa Rica in 2020, and I moved to the US for my college. I did my undergraduate from St. Lawrence University in New York in neuroscience. I'm a big brain enthusiast. I love talking about brain and researching about brain. I graduated from my undergrad in 2024 actually, like a few months back. And currently I am doing my PhD in neurosciences from University of Rhode Island. I'm a first year PhD student. Alongside all of this, I am also working on a project that we are going to talk about today. That's called
Yes.
Cycle Care Campaign. That's a short introduction on my end.
Well, that's a very big, एक अच्छी खासी लंबी स्टोरी है to tell. So we can call you a doctor साहिबा, right?
Doctor to be in
हाँ,
progress. In progress.
ठीक है, ठीक है। सजीदा, मुझे ये बताएं कि साइकिल किड कैंपेन I have been following your page on Instagram and on Facebook as well. And I've seen you like working in the farming areas of यासीन, फिर जीबी के दूसरे जो इलाके हैं वहाँ पे आप करती हैं। प्लस मैंने आपके कुछ वर्चुअल सेशंस भी मैंने ज्वाइन किए थे। Tell us more about like what is this cycle care campaign? क्या है ये?
Yeah, Cycle Care Campaign, it started in 2019. तब मैं UWC में होती थी। तो UWC में जो IB डिप्लोमा है वो आपको तब मिलता है जब आप एक थीसिस कंप्लीट करते हैं एज अ हाई स्कूलर. So we had the liberty of choosing whatever topic we wanted. And I wanted to work on something that I could relate to. And at that point, I knew where I came from and what type of issues were faced by people like me, like girls back home. And menstruation was one of the issues, and how it's stigmatized in our culture and how it's tabooed in our culture. I wanted to see what is the impact of menstrual hygiene management and its impact on gynecological health. So let's say लड़कियों को मेंस्ट्रुअल हाइजीन के बारे में कुछ नहीं पता, सैनिटेशन सही से नहीं होती, तो आगे जाके हाउ डज दिस इम्पैक्ट देयर फर्टिलिटी और दूसरे गायनेकोलॉजिकल कोई इश्यूज तो नहीं होते. So for that, I went around to local hospitals in Yasin, in Gilgit area. And when I finished analyzing those data points, there was a very strong correlation between those two issues. So menstrual hygiene management and gynecological morbidities. So when I finished the project, I was like, okay, look, I submitted it, I got my grade, I got my diploma, I passed. But then I'm like, okay, what's going to happen after this? So when UWC International Office, when they saw the topic, they were like, okay, there's a lot of potential for this. So there's something called UWC Go Make a Difference Award, United World College Go Make a Difference Award. So they were like, okay, you should. So I applied for that, and they were like, yeah, this is a really good project. You should go ahead. And again, I was just a kid back then in 2019, just a high schooler, and starting an organization on my own seemed like a big step. And I wasn't sure if I was ready for it, but I still started anyway. So we started very small, like जगह जगह जाके इसके बारे में बात करना. That was the first step, like talking about it, like what it actually is. So spreading awareness regarding menstrual hygiene management, providing a platform for the menstruators to at least like talk about it. Because growing up, we went to AKSS. It's one of the most prestigious institutions in the area. We were never told about it. There was no organization or there was no group that was talking about this issue, which is faced by more than 50% of the population. So there's like a lot of taboo around this topic, and our goal is to fight that taboo, destigmatize this topic, and be able to comfortably talk about it as if it's a normal process in our body. Yeah.
Well, Sajida, chunke in GB, like it's a male-dominated society, or यहाँ पे, what you do is like it's you are educating the women and the girls. साथ ही साथ I would say कि इसमें कितना परसेंट like इस चीज़ को समझने में या इस चीज़ को acknowledge करने में males का एक contribution बनता है. I mean, young students. If I am studying someone who studies biology till grade 12th, I've been a pre-medical student, and this is something. जब मैं 12th grade में था, only I came to know, oh, this happens, or this is something, as you said, it's a taboo in our society. और ये क्यों है? क्योंकि we actually we हम biology को समझते नहीं है या हम इसको acknowledge नहीं करते. So like to what extent this is like हम to males कहें, boys कहें, या जो men's है उनको इस चीज़ की understanding होनी चाहिए जो जिसमें हम females हमारे साथ in many ways we have relations like in the mother, sister, sister-in-law, और बहुत सारी relations में होती है. So to what extent I can contribute in facilitating, in understanding, और इस हवाले से मैं उनको कोई support provide करूँ.
Yeah, that's a really good point. क्योंकि जब हमने ये organization शुरू किया, तो like it was a solo process. Like I was going around with my family. I have my siblings who are in the health profession. So I would go around to like local hospitals and talk to the LHVs and the gynecology department of the hospital and see like what's the situation in our area. The more I went around, the more I talked to people, the more we had awareness sessions, the more I understood कि हम कितना कम इस पे बात कर रहे हैं and how strongly tabooed it is. Females ही कितना discomfort feel करती हैं इसके बारे में बात करने में, या फिर just to hold a discussion in situations of health conditions. Like कि इसकी वजह से जितने भी conditions भी face होती हैं उनको, like they cannot go to a doctor and talk about it if there's a male doctor in the hospital. So when we started, we had the dream of like, okay, let's educate the menstruators, the females themselves. But then as we like moved through the process, I realized each and every one has a role. So right now, like we are focusing on everyone. Like whenever I go around on sessions and stuff, people are like, okay, we can give you our female audience. But I'm like, no, male should be there too. Because as you said, you are related to a menstruator in one way or another. As a brother, you have a sister to take care of. As a husband, you have a wife to take care of. If
Yeah,
you are
for
a
sure.
teacher, if you're an educator in your class, if your students are going through it, then you, as a facilitator, as an educator, that's your responsibility to at least know what to do in that situation. As a father, like whatever relationship you have to a menstruator, I feel like it's a huge responsibility for us to understand that and try to at least like educate ourselves what actually happens. So many males have no idea what happens to a female body when it goes through the cycle. Mood swings, depression. There's something called menstrual cramps, which are like almost like suffocating, and so many other conditions that nobody has ever tried to educate themselves about. And ये ऐसा करके रखा है कि oh yeah, it's like a female issue, let's not like bother about it. Oh my god, like why are you talking about something like this? Like आपको शर्म नहीं आती? Like इस तरह की बातें करते हो? Like it's so dirty or like it's so unholy. It's been stigmatized to a point that like the most educated people even are hesitant to talk about it, or they just like make sure that like, oh, this is something that's not related to me, it doesn't happen to me, so like I shouldn't just like take a part in it. लेकिन ये है कि like understanding your responsibility towards a menstruator to create a comfortable environment for them. For example, let's say you're a brother and हमारे इलाके में हमारे कल्चर में यही होता है कि भाई just like oh या ये करो बहन को you know वो लेके दो ये लेके आओ खाना दो कपड़े धो ये इस्त्री करो ये करो. In such situation, at least like be like create a comfortable environment for them. At least like do not like overburden them with like घरेलू काम और या फिर अपने responsibilities उन पे inflict करना. At least like avoid such situations. You know, as a teacher, if like one of your students gets a period in class, like how do you respond to that? Do you like just show like, oh, this is so foreign to me, I'm not going to talk about it, oh my god, this is like something I wasn't supposed to see? In such situations, like, you know, man up and then take responsibility, because it has been there in our culture for so long that people are just so ashamed, people are so scared of that blood, people are so day by day they are contributing to the stigma to a point that it now like it's impossible to talk about. You know, like people just like completely avoid it, and it's an alien thing that happens to female body, and like we should never talk about it, nobody should know about it. So many complications those happen, right? And realizing the idea and realizing the responsibility that there's a big chance that if you take the responsibility, if you realize that stuff, you can make someone's life easier and more comfortable. Yeah, that was a very long answer, but yeah, that's my take on it.
नहीं हम पॉडकास्ट में हमारा यही होता है कि हम सुनने आते हैं. हम तो जस्ट वी आर हम होस्ट करते हैं, बस हम आगे वाले जो भी हमारे गेस्ट होते हैं हम उनके इनसाइट्स ही लेने आते हैं.
Exactly.
I can relate to what you said, Sajida. क्योंकि especially when it comes to Gilgit, यहाँ पे जिस तरह एक being a brother, I can see कि the way you described, it's because you know for the past few I would say कुछ ही दिन हुए या कुछ ही महीने हो गए जब मुझे इस चीज़ की I can say you know I got an understanding of what happens. जैसे mood swings की आपने बात की, that is something यहाँ पे I have seen in families जहाँ पे you know um, cameraman, जहाँ पे I've seen कि you know ये पूछा जाता है कि is there something happened to you, not उसके जो health है उसको ignore किया जाता है. Depression is one of the main causes जहाँ पे हम इस चीज़ को address नहीं करते. तो this is one of the factors जहाँ पे हम mood swings की बात करें तो हम इस चीज़ को acknowledge नहीं करते या इसकी तरफ हमारी understanding नहीं होती. तो एक तो ये बात हो गई. दूसरा ये कि जी भी मैं इस वक्त विंटर्स बहुत ही सवेर है, जैसे मैंने जो कोट पहना हुआ आपको अंदाजा हो रहा होगा बहुत ही ठंडा है. और यहाँ पे आजकल विंटर ब्लूज की बात हो रही है कि मेंटल डिप्रेशन इज हियर एंड बहुत सारे केसेस यहाँ पे हमें देखने को मिलते हैं, बीट सुसाइडल केसेस, जहाँ पे अगर हम इस चीज़ को एड्रेस ना करें तो वो फिर यू नो एक अगलियर फॉर्म में ये फिर एक्सप्रेस हो जाती है. दिस इज समथिंग आई गेस कि मैं यही कहूँगा कि मेरे एज के या जो भी स्टडी करते हैं दोज पीपल हु आर इन एजुकेशन, जो एजुकेशन हासिल कर रहे हैं, दे नीड टू एजुकेट देमसेल्व्स. और इस हवाले से हम हमारा जो भी एक बॉन्ड बनता है टूवर्ड किसी भी गर्ल के साथ, बीट सिस्टर, वाइफ हो या आपका जो भी बॉन्ड है, हमें अकॉर्डिंगली एक इमोशनल सपोर्ट की ज़रूरत पड़ती है। मुझे ये बताइए कि जब आपने गलगत में ये साइकिल किट कंपनी शुरू किया, कोई रेजिस्टेंस आपको देखने को मिली?
Yeah, that's a really good question. क्योंकि जब मैंने ये प्रोजेक्ट भी शुरू किया था, it was in the back of my mind कि it's not an easy topic, you know. अगर आप मेंटल हेल्थ पे बात करें तो कंपैरेटिवली बहुत सारी ऑडियंस आपको मिल जाती है जो लोग लाइक आपके सेशंस में आएंगे, आपको सुनेंगे। आप करियर काउंसलिंग की बात करें तो बहुत सारे लोग आएंगे आपके सेशंस में, आपको बहुत यू नो लाइक अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल विल अप्रिशिएट यू। एंड दूसरे जो वो भी इम्पोर्टेंट इश्यूज है, लेकिन ऐसे इश्यूज है जिन पे अगर आप बात करें तो आपको पॉजिटिव रिस्पॉन्स मिलता है।
जी।
बट दिस वाज समथिंग दैट आई न्यू कि इट वाज़न्ट गोना बी इजी, बिकॉज थिंकिंग अबाउट लाइक किसी और की बात नहीं, मैं अपनी ही बात करूँ तो बिफोर गोइंग टू यूडब्ल्यूसी, like if someone were to come up to me and tell me, oh, I'm going to talk about menstruation, like can you tell me about it, I would hesitate. Like thinking about myself in 2017 जब मैं एकेशस गाकुच में होती थी, या फिर 2016 9th 10th grade में. So comparing that and what the type of response I got, I kind of expected it. So funny enough, हमारा जो ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है उसका नाम शुरू में था देयर ब्लड। तो लोगों ने कहा कि ओह माय गॉड व्हाट टाइप ऑफ नेम इज इट, यू नो ये क्या है। वी आर नॉट, आई वुड आस्क पीपल, I'd be like okay, like I have this organization, can we like collaborate or like can we just do something about it? People be like oh ये कैसा नाम है, कोई भी इसके बारे में कोई बात नहीं करेंगे। मैं आपको बता रही हूँ,
यहाँ
लड़के नहीं, लाइक लड़कियां भी मुझे कह रही थी कि
यहाँ
साजिदा
ब्लड की
शुमा।
एनालॉजी इज लाइक
Exactly.
वायलेंस के साथ वो की जाती है।
Exactly. I had a different logo, and then I was like, बहुत सारा like there was a lot of opposition or hesitation बहुत ज़्यादा थी कि oh my god, like we are not going to talk about a project that like outwardly, explicitly, well, there's blood involved, and I'm like, okay, that's the purpose of this organization, you know. We want to talk about it. We want to create an environment, but as I realized, people were like very reluctant. वो उनको नहीं बात करनी थी. They were very uncomfortable. So many of my friends, a lot of well-wishers, they were like, maybe like revamp the name so that like people can actually talk about it, you know. So we thought about it, and I wasn't going to change it because I was like, okay, हमारा purpose यही है कि लोग बात करें at least, you know. But again, we had to like revamp the name. We changed it to Cycle Care Campaign. Although it's the same thing, it does the same, it serves the same objective. But naam change karne pe more and more people are ready and they're willing to talk about it. And इस example से आप अंदाजा लगा सकते हैं कि what was the level of hesitation that we felt from our audience. और दूसरा ये कि I don't blame anyone. I did not step into this project thinking कि सारे लोग कहेंगे oh my god, like बहुत ही अच्छा है, आप आके इधर सेशन दो, या फिर अगर आप आके इधर बात करो। I knew कि वहाँ पे hesitation मुझे उसका सामना करना, I would have to do it, but I didn't know to what level. So like the more I thought about it, the more I went to schools. Funny enough, like last summer 2023, I was in Pakistan and I was in one of the primary schools, and we were conducting a session. And before I started it, I was like, अगर आप लोगों को डर लग रहा है या फिर आपको शर्म आ रही है तो थोड़ी देर के लिए आप बाहर जा सकते हैं कमरे से. Mind you, it was just girls, okay? And so many of the girls, they stood up and they straight up left because it was so uncomfortable for them to sit through it and talk about it. I was like, okay, it's going to be even more challenging if I have both girls and boys in the room. So situations like that happened. But at the same time, I also want to appreciate people who are contributing and lending a hand in this campaign, who are breaking the taboos, and your podcast being an example. I feel like I wasn't expecting a lot of support from a lot of organization, and I did get that, and I'm still getting that. And I feel like it's a step towards a long driven goal that's going to take a while, but people are contributing. Yeah.
मुझे जब आपने मैसेज किया तो आई वाज सुपर एक्साइटेड सिंस मैं आपसे आई डोंट नो इफ यू रिमेंबर और नॉट काफ़ी हम पहले मिले थे इफ यू रिकॉग्नाइज मी और नॉट आई डोंट नो बट सिंस देन यू नो आई हैड वन ऑफ योर ईमेल आपका था मुझ मेरे पास और आई यूज्ड टू सेंड यू माय एसेज फिर बाद में जाके आई सॉ दिस साइकिल कैंपेन एंड I saw some of your sessions with one of my very near brother, Rafiq Ahmed.
Uh,
फिर मैं I was you know thinking कि क्यों ना हम भी कर लें क्योंकि मैं initial stages में मैंने भी शुरू की है this podcast series and especially जब इस तरह के मौज़ूआत पे हो तो क्या ही बात है कि हम इसमें अपनी contribution दें कि
exactly.
जितनी ज़्यादा हमसे हो सकती है awareness हम फैलाएं तो मैं तो यही कहूँगा कि दिस इज़ अ स्टिमुलस चाहे मैं बीइंग अ होस्ट मुझे इस चीज़ को मज़ीद इसकी अंडरस्टैंडिंग की ज़रूरत है समझने की ज़रूरत है फिर फर्दर मैं अगर थोड़ी बहुत जो मेरी ऑडियंस है जो मुझे देखती है या जिनको यू कैन से आई मीट जो हमारी टीम में हम मिलते मिलते हैं तो आई वुड रियली कि आपका यह मैसेज है इसको मैं मज़ीद इसको सेपरेट करूँ मुझे एक चीज़ आई वाज़ क्यूरियस टू नो कि चूँकि आप यूएस में होती हैं और आपका साइकिल के कैंपेन एक तो सोशल मीडिया के थ्रू आप करती है बट व्हाट अबाउट दोज हू डोंट हैव एक्सेस टू सोशल मीडिया
Yeah,
हाउ डू यू डू दिस
yeah, that's a really good question. As I said, शुरू में like it was a solo project, and then my family has been a great support. So whenever like I'm mostly here, I'm like barely at home. You know, जब भी मैं जाती हूँ तो मैं in person खुद sessions में conduct करती हूँ, लेकिन most of the time I'm here. So mostly it's my family. So my sisters, whenever they are home, like one of them is a doctor, so she goes around and then she conducts sessions. उसके अलावा I have a small team, so they help me, and then we reach out to people, and then we do like online sessions. At the same time, as you said, हमारा जो टारगेट एरिया है वहाँ पे इंटरनेट है ही नहीं, यू नो. सो हमने एक लोकल ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के साथ हमने कोलैबोरेशन के थ्रू दरकुत से हमने शुरू किया है. आगे हम इन पर्सन अभी सेशंस कर रहे हैं. सो रूबरू ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के साथ हमारी कोलैबोरेशन के थ्रू वो हमें ऑडियंस प्रोवाइड करते हैं. हम उनको हमारे टीम में जो डॉक्टर्स हैं या फिर दूसरे हेल्थ केयर प्रोफेशनल्स हैं हम वो प्रोवाइड करते हैं और हम मिलके इन पर्सन सेशंस कंडक्ट करते हैं. So far, it's been a great success. We have just started the collaboration, so however many sessions we have conducted have been really great. So I have a small team that is very diligent, that helps me, and we work together. And they're really nice with their time, and whenever they can, they go in person and they conduct the sessions. So that's how we have been doing it.
Sajida, it was really nice talking to you about this very top इस मौजू पे बात करने का. बाकी I would say मैं तो अगेन मैं इस चीज़ को एक्नॉलेज करने में कोई वो नहीं करता. आई डू कन्फेस दिस के स्टिल आई वुड से कि मुझे इतनी इस मौजू पे इतनी अंडरस्टैंडिंग नहीं है बट आई वुड स्टिल से कि मुझे जब आई गो टू पीपल सिंस मैं इस वक्त गलगत में हूँ तो आई कैन कम अप विद प्राइमरी जो स्टैटिस्टिक्स है मैं लेके आ सकता हूँ. आई गो टू पीपल और जो प्रॉब्लम्स वो फेस कर रहे हैं नेक्स्ट टाइम जब हमारा कोई पॉडकास्ट होगा तो मे बी हम इसमें डाइव इनटू करें और मज़ीद इसको डिग आउट करें कि हम इस चीज़ को कैसे ईज़िली यानी लोगों के लिए बेहतर बना सकते हैं और इसमें वी कैन प्रोवाइड अवेयरनेस टू देम.